Hey there, I'm NuRelm CEO Sam. In this quick video, I'll share 3 ways that we can help pharmaceutical companies and clinical research organizations move faster and get even better results when developing any sort of app or wearable. Here at NuRelm, we've been building powerful, compliant software for over 25 years now, especially for those complex science and health projects. We've got a lot of ideas and experience that I think can help you. Let's start out by talking about better wearable data pipelines. Wearables really are a gold mine of real-world data. At least they should be. But collecting all that data, checking it, keeping it secure, that can be a huge headache for anybody doing it from scratch. There are just too many hurdles, wearable operating system limits, engineering challenges, scaling problems, which all add up to cost overruns and delays in your trials. We have built dozens of wearable trial platforms in areas ranging far and wide, from prosthetic leg sensors to wheelchair sensors to more traditional watches. For example, one of our systems, our turnkey Lemur data collection system, was born in an NIH-funded small business innovation research project called Lemur DX that's developing an objective, near real-time measure of hyperactivity using wearable data. We dealt with transmitting a lot of wearable data over Wi-Fi, allowing for near real-time access at scale. And we'll replicate this tested process for you, which means our data collection is efficient and reliable for day one. This system I just mentioned to you, the Lemur data collection system, is something that we actually sell to folks like you who are doing trials. It's built just for clinical trials, and seriously, we handle almost all the technical heavy lifting, from smartwatches that are ready for your study and a smooth integration system, documentation, secure HIPAA compliant cloud platform to give you data access in almost real time without having to figure all this stuff out. Using a turnkey system, Lemur, you'll get insights way faster, cut down on manual work, and ensure your study data is spot on, drastically reduce the time and money spent setting up a tricky wearable data collection system. Your team can then focus on the important analysis, not on wrestling with engineering issues. Let's move on to idea number 2, stronger digital patient engagement. Keeping patients engaged and in the loop throughout a clinical trial is critical, but old school methods often don't cut it, leading folks to drop out, miss data, and get bored of whatever app you've built to keep track of data or send EMAs or whatever it might happen to be doing. Here at NuRelm, we design really easy to use, patient-focused digital engagement platforms. They're not just any apps, but they're tools built to boost communication, passive sensing when it makes sense, give personalized support, and help folks stick with the study rules. We make participation feel way less secure. So here are a couple of examples. Our MoodRing app and an app called BrightPath are great examples. One of these apps, MoodRing, which was built with SBIR funding from the NIH, uses passive sensing to collect data without being a burden on the user. And they both have engaging designs and smart notifications to keep participants connected, help with symptom tracking, and provide customized help. Better digital engagement means more patients stay on board, you get more complete data, and ultimately your trial timelines speed up and you just don't spend as much money with churn of participants. Let's move on to idea number 3, HIPAA compliant mobile study apps. Mobile study apps for clinical studies mean more than just making them work. You need rock solid compliance with rules, HIPAA, to protect all that sensitive patient health information. Compliance and security, that's just part of who we are. We build mobile study apps right from the start with HIPAA and other key regulations in mind, and our decades of experience with sensitive health data from university research projects ensures your data is secure and your studies meet all the requirements. Our work on a couple of projects shown here, Etude, Screening Wizard, and iChart, these are projects we worked on with the University of Pittsburgh and built for them, specifically involved creating secure portals and apps for health data collection, showing just how committed we are to data privacy and following the rules. With NuRelm, you get a mobile study app that not only works perfectly, but gives you total peace of mind thanks to careful security and compliance. That means less risk and easier regulatory approval. Just to recap, whether it's making wearable data a breeze with our turnkey Lemur data collection system, really boosting patient engagement, or building fully compliant mobile study apps, we're ready to help you and your team get things done faster and prove a positive ROI by working with us. I'd really love to chat, just brainstorm and understand your needs. And if we have something we can offer and help you with, great. If not, no problem. We're not high pressure. Let's set up a quick follow-up call to dig in a little deeper, and you'll find my calendar link listed here in the video. Thank you. Appreciate your time. Have a great day.